guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the big book of the dinosaurs and the prehistoric life. This time, guys, it's none other than Corythosaurus. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And also guys, if you like dinosaurs, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. And recently he started again with live streams, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him to catch up on those. And I joined him in those streams, so make sure to go over and subscribe to him. I will, of course, guys, as always, have his links down in the description below, and of course, guys, in the end cards as well. And so guys, let's go. Let's get this dinosaur out. Let's check it out. Let's do that now. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. So let's go ahead and let's mosey on down here. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, The Big Book of the Dinosaurs and the Prehistoric Life. And guys, this is from National Geographic, and it is distributed on a local level by Clarín, which is a newspaper company from Buenos Aires, Argentina, where we live. And guys, this is the number 14 in the collection. If you would like to see the previous 13, all you have to do is check out the playlist in the in cards. And guys, this is none other, of course, than Corythosaurus. So there he is inside the logo of the National Geographic symbol. So let's open this up. Here we just have the inside cover. We have a nice artist rendering of what one of these guys must have looked like. He looks really awesome. And well, here we have the summary, so the table of contents. And well guys, let's see what there is to see. guys, that's the end of that. We're just going to see here. You can see here that this one, Petranodon, will be the next in this collection, so make sure to stay tuned for that one, guys. And well, now it's time to open up our brand new dinosaur, so let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so we have the dinosaur out of the box, and now it's time for an up-close look at it. I'm just gonna pick it up here, and boom! There he is. He looks really cool. One of the things that Kosa thinks is kind of crazy is that these dinosaurs are like really crazy colors.
Yeah, like psychedelic or not?
Yeah, a bit. Green and blue and orange.
Yeah, the mix of colors have their place.
It's really crazy. Oh, well, I'm gonna turn it a bit here so you can see the face. I think that this one's face looks a bit weird with this like thing here.
Yeah.
And like their mouths look really weird. It looks like a grandpa with no teeth a bit.
But I bet they have teeth.
I don't know. But they look a bit like this, like. Well, and I wanted to show you better the painting here. And guys, I'm gonna show you the back so you can get a good look at the tail. This back there. Side, guys, you can see their claws down here. They're really big, and then they have these little tiny front paws or claws. That's really cool. And guys, I wanted to show you one other thing, and that is that the head's bent. The arms also bent. This one too. The front or the back legs also move back and forth. And well, the tail technically should move, but it's very hard to move. That happens with some of these figures, but well. All in all, it looks really cool. Do you like him, honey?
Yeah, it's cool.
It looks a bit derpy, but
yeah.
I like him anyway. His name shall be called Derpy.
Corythosaurus.
Corythosaurus. He looks really cool though. And well, I'm gonna put him back down here on the table. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. Also lately he started doing live streams, so make sure when you subscribe to his channel to hit the bell so that you're notified whenever he posts something new or starts a live stream. And I will have links to his channel not only down in the description below, but also in the cards. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.